Hey guys, welcome back to Dana Reads. So today I'm coming at you with an unboxing video. I ended up getting a Kindle and a pop socket. I've been seeing so many TikTok videos over like Kindles and everything, and I'm currently actually reading Saving Noah on my iPad. So I was just looking around and I was like, oh my god, like I've always wanted a Kindle. And I just happened to look on Best Buy yesterday and I saw that they had these ones. This is the Kindle 6. I think this one has 8 GB on it. And yeah, they had it on sale for only $44. So I was like, why not? You know, I went ahead and got it. It's normally priced around $89 on Amazon and Best Buy, I believe. But thank goodness I looked yesterday and it was on sale. So I've never had a Kindle before. Back when I was younger, like in elementary, I had I think it's called a Nook, one of the Nooks that Barnes and Noble was selling. And I had it only for 2 days. It worked for 2 days and then it just completely froze. The screen wasn't working. So I think my parents returned it or we took it somewhere, and I never got a Kindle or anything after that. But yeah, I'm super excited for unboxing this today. It's my first Kindle ever. So yeah, if you want to just watch along, I actually last night I made a Kindle account. I signed up for Kindle Unlimited. They have a free trial going on right now for 30 days. I went ahead and signed up for that. I added the book that I'm currently reading onto the Kindle app, and then I added a bunch of other books on there, so you'll see that. But yeah, I'm super excited. The TikTok videos, I know, like, you know, having a Kindle is not ideal on like BookTube, but it's still the same thing. Audiobooks, ebooks, you know, it's physical books, it's all still the same. And hey, I'm still gonna read my physical books. I love physical books. There's just something about having the book in your hand. But I specifically bought this because there's a lot of books that I've been wanting to get that are just under like 250 pages, and I just really don't feel like it would be a good investment to, just because when I go book shopping, I spend so much money. I go in, I say, okay, I'm only gonna spend $20 today, and then I come out and I spent like nearly $200 every time. So my whole goal with this is just to spend less money and just to have a nice place. I'm babysitting kids right now, 3 kids during the week during this school year while I'm getting my master's. So being able to take this with me will be perfect instead of, you know, hauling around my bag with a bunch of books in it. But yes, like I said, I'm still going to be reading physical books because I have over like 60 books in my office in the back, I have a lot of books to still on my TBR to still read that are physical books. But I added about, I think 12 books on here last night onto, not on this yet, but onto the Kindle app. So I have a lot that I plan on reading, and I'm super excited. Like I said, I'm reading Saving Noah right now, which it's pretty good so far. It's a little weird. I'm not the biggest fan of the mom. I'll talk about that book in another video, but yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. just saw, I just finished setting up my Kindle. I like it so far. I'm not gonna lie, when I was going through it so far, it's a little slow. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm super excited to start reading on it. I'll probably do another video kind of just updating like over the books that I'm reading on here currently. I really like it, and it's perfect. It fits perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be posting again next week, so please tune in. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Keep reading. Bye.